Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Darla Lucian of Darla Lucian Studios, and we are going to pick some papers to put in signatures for some new journals. How much fun does this look? I brought out my rainbow. But before we get going, I would just ask if you would let people know that you're liking my videos. It brings me up on the algorithm, which is helpful. Subscribe. This helps you because then if you hit the notification bell, you'll know when my next video is out. So you can keep the videos rolling, keep the inspiration rolling. Also comment. I love to hear what you have to say about what's going on. Do you have a stash like this, a paper? Let me know. Share with other people and keep that conversation and inspiration flowing. All right. So I want to put a few new journals into my Etsy shop for you guys because you can see I've got quite a nice stash of paper, and some of this is coffee dyed, crinkle, and some of it is plain scrapbook paper or different kinds of coffee paper. Looks like there's construction paper in there too. Plain, and then there is patterned, lots of patterned papers. And so I wanted to create some signatures for some journals today, and so we're going to use file folders to make the outsides, and then we're going to make, so it's going to end up being, because I have two folders here, so it's going to end up being 4 journals. All right, does that make sense? Okay, so the first things first, I want to pick out some pattern papers, and I want to pick out some pinky ones. So I'm going to slide this over a little so that the pinky ones are kind of more in the space here. Well, that one's kind of fun. Let's grab that one right away. I've got some browns here too. Ooh, look at this one with the flowers and the hearts. That's fun. Oh, I like that one. I think I'm going to pick most of these pink ones. I'll pick a couple of these. I don't want to pick too many of the same patterns. Here's some ones that are slightly smaller sizes. That'll make it interesting. Oh, look at these. Ooh, that one's kind of fun, hey? I'll grab that one too, actually. Let's see, these ones are a little kind of too almost reddish. Ah, they're okay. I'll put them in. All right, and then what about cream ones? Let's see, while we're here. I know it's too early to think about leaves for me just yet. These are kind of pretty. Maybe I'll pick those ones. I like that one. Oh, there's one of my ones from Gail Gustinelli. She has some of her eco-dyed, or however you say it, botanically dyed flowers. That one's quite fun, and it's nice and stiff, so I could see that one being really useful. This one with the word weave is kind of interesting. I'll put that one in too. Alright, and then I'm back to where I was. Okay, so let's keep going. I'm not thinking yellows for these journals. And I'm trying to stay away from the winter theme, but not yet to, I'm not feeling the leaves yet. I don't know. Well, it doesn't quite go with the colors that I have picked. So I'm just, again, with the flowers, moving along. These will make great summer journals, though. Hey, stay tuned for that. That one's quite pretty, and it's got some of the pinks in there. So it's blues. We got Cupid on this one. But, again, blues are, I think I might be able to skip right past most of the blues. No singing the blues today. Ooh, but that one's fun. And it's kind of a teal and blue. Maybe there'll be one that has some of those colors in. Some of the more fun, happy colors. Sunflowers. Yeah, I don't know. 2 summery for right now. This brown and blue is kind of nice. Maybe that's what I'll put together for now. Uh-oh. What's this? Oh, this is kind of the whites. Well, maybe I'll grab a few of those. And we got some creams. Grab a few of those. And there's a peach. I don't think the peach will go so well. These ones are more brownish. What's that about? Huh. That's funny. That's a piece of white out on there. Like corrector tape. Oh, that burnt orange is lovely, but certainly not for this journal. I got some richer browns. Maybe I'll throw one in. Okay, fluorescent red, not necessary. Some of this other red. Maybe those. Some of these are quite stiff. Oh, and there's this kind of reddish brown color. That kind of reminds me of milk chocolate. Might have to put that in this. Alright, so let's grab a few of the red ones. Because that's obviously going to be probably one of the best matches. Yellow, orange, greens, blues. I did have, what color blues did I have in here? Let's pull those back up. Maybe not those ones. Let's see. A couple like that, maybe. Teal one. Maybe I'll put one of those back. I can grab one of the teal ones. And then one like that. Deeper colored one. We have purples. Now, do we have any kind of purpley ones in here? Let's see. There was this one. That kind of looks okay, doesn't it? Okay. Oh, this one was hard to place. Well, I think I'll just put it with my pile. And then we have some light pink colors, which of course we'll take. And some kind of medium pinks. I think I'm going to leave the bright pinks because these other ones are quite muted. Black. Maybe I'll put a couple just to see. Well, let's do 4. One for each of the journals. Alright. And then we have, one gray. And then all of the coffee and tea guide. Goodness. So I'm going to save those until we kind of know what we're doing with the journal. Alright. So I'm going to put that off to the side. You all talk amongst yourself for a second. Okay. Wow, that really lightened that a lot. I spent about a day going through all of my paper drawers. I have 12 by 12 paper drawers that just slide out. You might have seen some on my videos. Oh, and here's some other file folders that I was thinking we could do something with maybe later, but we'll see. All right, so anyway, yeah, I went through all of my paper files, drawers, and I gotta line this up really well. Oh, you know what? It probably would be easier if I go through. Let's try that. And then I spent another day going through and folding them, cutting them to size first, and then folding them. And that was a big job. But the good news is, of course, is that now it's done. So now when I want to make a journal, it is just really fast, right? I don't think I've ever chosen signatures quite so fast before, but we'll see. Making the covers might be trickier. All right. So I'll save this. I have a drawer full of bits and pieces that I just throw things into when I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them. I know I will do something with it, I just don't know what. Alright, so we're going to cut this one in half. Line that up. There we go. So we have our first one. Okay, I'll fold these in a minute. I don't have the space to do that right now. Okay, this needs to come up just a little. Do you guys have any shortcuts that you do for your crafting to try to make things easier on yourself? I find, oh, that's interesting. This is coming right open. All right, let's even up that edge. I think what I'm going to do is divide this one in half first. I think that would be the better part about this. And then I'll make it less unwieldy to manage these file folders. Okay. Trying to make it so that I can see exactly where I have cut underneath so that I make the same cut line on top so I don't screw it up like the last one wasn't so even. This might be easier to cut with scissors and with a ruler instead of trying to slice it. I know that my cutting will not make it as straight as if it was used with this paper slicer, but I might not have some of the same issues here. Alright, let's try this one. I think the folding it helps, because then I can see right where the cut line is and line it up at the top and the bottom, so that's good. It's just at the ends where the metal bits are, the paper doesn't quite lie flat enough, and so it doesn't slice all the way to the ends. Okay. So we have our folders now. They're cut into journal cover size. So I could use the red side out and the pink side in, or I could use the red side out, or red side in and the pink side out. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to try doing a little bit of each and just see what comes together here. So lining those up. Wow, not lining those up as good as I thought. It kind of pulled a little at the end. So let's just straighten that out. The nice thing about paper is it can be refolded. Alright, that's better. Okay, one down. Second one. Down. Alright. Third one. Where is that end? It blends so well with the paper underneath, it's hard to see the edge. Okay. And then the fourth one. Alright, so the ones that have the writing on them, if I had really been thinking, I would have made sure that the two with the writing on the outside went on the inside. But it's on the outside. So that means that we're going to be more creative with that part, I guess. Alright. So here is our covers. I'm going to put that on the bottom, and here I'm going to put one on the bottom and one on the top, just to kind of keep mixing it up. Alright, so 4 journals. Let's see, each of them is going to get a black one to go in. Maybe I should just make the piles. No, I need to see them when I'm working on. How can we do this? What's going to help is if these are not flying open. So I'm going to grab my clips. I'll just grab a little clip. That'll make life easier. Okay. One. Clipping it at the top will also let me know which way I planned on doing them. I don't need such a big one. There's a little bit. Okay. Alright, so one. Some of these have a little bit of sun fading on, which I love that kind of look. Just makes it look a little bit more old, more aged. Alright, then we're going to do one of each of these. One of each of these. The red one, I was going to do a couple in each. So I'm not sure about these blue ones that I picked, so I'm just going to put them off to the side for a minute. Maybe they'll go with some of the other stuff. Alright, so one of these kind of purpley ones with the gray. 1, 2, 3. I might put in one of the pink ones. Let's see what else. We had red for everybody. 1, 2. Is that 2 there? Oh. Nope. Okay. So that already gives me an extra one here. then we had a light or a darker brown and a lighter kind of creamy tan. And then kind of a white. These ones have different kinds of feel to them. They're a little bit lighter than coffee paper, which kind of makes them interesting. I'm trying to keep this on the top so that I remember that that was there. Alright, so this one has kind of got more reddish ones, so I'm going to put that one there. This one is very pink. That one's quite pink. Alright, let's see. Kind of spreading the love around a little. Alright, so that's 2. So this one has 2 extras. So this one has 2 extras. This one has 2 extras. And this one has 2 extras. Okay. So I think we're even now. Okay. Well, that helps. So you can see how my weird thought processes go. Okay, so these ones are kind of neutral. So is that one. That one is sort of. I mean, and I have a few browns. Alright, so this one's kind of got some reds here, so I'm going to put that one there. And that one there. And then do we have any more stripy ones here? We have a full-size stripy one and a small stripy one. Good. Alright, so we spread some stripy love. Alrighty. And then, we've already got a florally kind of one in here and a florally kind of one in here. So let's put these 2 kind of floral ones there. So we need to get something for these ones. Alright, so I'm going to put this half one over there and this one over there. Okay. And then I'm going to go like that. Like that. Go like that. Like that. How many do we have in here? I guess that's the next question, because I might change that a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Alright, so if we're already at 15, that's already too many. So, because I want to put some coffee dyed ones in too. So, let's see what that looks like with these here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is not bad, and then 5 coffee dyed would be great. Okay, so I'll do that for 1. So now I'm going to pick out of here ones that are going to come out. Okay, so one of the things that I'll do is I will pick out one of the neutral ones, maybe not the same one, one of the red ones, one of the pink ones. So that takes 3 out, so that puts me down to 12. So I need to take 2 more out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have kind of like the plain. And then 5 patterns. So obviously this one. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I'll take that one out. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I only need to pick one that doesn't go. Does one stand out to you? Yeah, I think it's this one. Sadly, I think these ones go better. Okay. I mean, it's pretty. Do not get me wrong. I really like it. I just don't think it goes with one side of it. All right, let's try this again. Over here. Let's see. Those are all the neutral ones. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then we need 5 out of here. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we just need to pull one. Well, this one's pretty pale compared to the other colors, so I'm going to pull that one. All right. This red one. Let's see. Pull those guys out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, I'll pull that one out. That's kind of pinkish. And kind of keep it more bright. And then this one. I'm going to pull that one out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. All right. I have a lot of papers that can go back. It's almost enough for another journal. All right. Now we need coffee dyed paper. So let me grab a stack of those. All right. So put those ones off to the side. And we are going to have 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So when I think about this signature, which is the stiffest one? They're all pretty similar. Is there anything stiffer here? Oh yeah, this purple one's stiffer. Okay. I like the stiffer one on the outside of the signature because it helps to give support and strength to the signature. Now remember how I like these two papers side by side, so I want to keep them that way. So I'm having a plain, a scrapbook paper, and then a coffee dyed. All right, so what are we going to do next? Well, I really like how this would look over top of something like that. So I might keep those two together. Like so. All right, what's next? Pink and pink. Oh, I need to get some coffee dye in here yet. Haven't really thought about what would be in the middle yet. The middle signature. I'm out of pattern paper, so maybe I will figure out something else. Maybe I'll put this one in the middle. Let's just fold this one the other way. Okay, and I like this light pink beside it. So there's that. Okay. Light pink with the cream. Another one of the coffee dye ones. Let's see what's happening here. So we have got kind of a purpley one, then we have that. Let's put the black one in next. And a coffee dye. And then I like the idea of this one over top of the brown. Coffee dye. Red. And then my center bits are going to go in. Okay, so how did that one turn out? So we can still change things around if we do not like it. And that's the center. Okay, I like that. That works for me. Alright, so let's take this clip off. And we are going to need a bigger clip now. I'll just pull these clips over here. There we go. Alright, one down. One, two, three, four, five. Okay, so again, I'm going to just feel them and see which one's kind of stiffer. That one's very not stiff at all. Okay, I actually think this one's the stiffest one. So, what do we like that against? The pink? I think so. I think that's pretty fun, don't you? Okay. Good, and then this light pink one is nice in there too. And then I'm going to put coffee dye. Alright, so then what's going to be the center one here? It's going to be this one. This one. Oh, it's going to be this one, obviously. I like that for the center. Don't you? For sure. So we kind of work from the outside in, and then from the inside out as well. So what do we think? That's nice like that. Oh, good. I'll put an extra layer in there. And then, oh, we have the black one to go yet. Okay, where's the black one going to go? Right in here, I guess. Alright, so how did that turn out? Let's see. These are quite different lengths, some of them. That's okay, though. So far, so good. Oh, I like those two beside each other. But really, it makes this kind of almost look the same color as that, doesn't it? Good. All right, that one's excellent as well. So we'll take the small clip off. Grab one of those medium ones. down. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's going to be that one, because that one is very stiff. Cardstock, yep. Okay, so that is the outside, and this one's going to be the inside. And I want this one fairly near, not right next, but close. So, what do we got to go in the middle of those two? Pink, coffee dye, pink, coffee dye, red, kind of a muted red, which is why I want to put this one next to it. Put this whitish one there. And this flower and heart one. Maybe not right next, though. Let's do red, coffee dye, and then this one. No, that one's going to go inside the cover. Like so. Coffee dye, black. Alright, do you like how it turned out? Let's take a look. So starting with the pink. Perfect. Awesome. That's 3 done. Wow, we are really flying along here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Oh, there's definitely, this one's the stiff one, right? Okay, and then it's colored on the inside, so I'm going to put coffee dye right next to that. And then what color do we want next to that? This bright red, maybe? Let's see what we got here also. Okay. So we have more neutrals in this one, so gotta remember that. Maybe we'll put this neutral next to this red. And pop that in. This could be nice for the center signature, don't we think? Why not? And I'd like the black next to that one. I do believe. Okay. Somehow we have an extra coffee dye piece left. So where is that going to go? Right in here. Alright, let's take a look and see what we think. So that one, that one, Wow. You guys have really helped me out today. I don't think I have ever gone quite so quick before. I mean, good grief. 4 signatures chosen and ordered. They're already cut down. The journal covers are there. So we've got this one, 2, 3, and 4. Thank you guys so much. This was so great. All right, well, I am going to start working on these guys, and we will just see you in the next video. Take care, everyone. Thanks for watching.